Good morning all. Riding your bike to real estate. Wanting, needing, expecting, thinking, believing, all of these will never make you an investor. You will never earn a profit by just wanting or believing or thinking. None of it. You have to go and fetch it. Nobody learnt to ride a bicycle from reading a book. So it is the actual fact and the act of doing. So where do you start? Yes, it helps to believe, it helps that you want, it helps that you really expect to do it, it helps that you're thinking of doing it. But while you're doing this, there are a couple of things you can do to turn your dreams into a reality. A, go and see your mortgage broker. You need to understand exactly what you could purchase for. You need to understand exactly how it works. You need to understand what your own finances are, your income and your expenses. You then need to understand and figure out, this of course you can speak to your agent about, but what type of investment would work for you? Do you need an investment that actually has an income attached to it? Or do you need to buy something where you would move into as part and somebody else would rent out a part from you or a section from you? And once you have these behind your back, you can actually go out there and start shopping. You can start looking, you can start understanding the market, you can start understanding prices, and of course you will, by doing these, get to purchase a property. It's the ing in investing, it's the doing. Happy investing.